We are at Saxol restaurant in Astana city. We have four people from.
This is where the rubber hits the road.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
We have here four people from the US, and we are in Saxol restaurant.
Lamb tongue?
Lamb tongue. This Turk shashlik here. This is lamb shashlik. Vegetables.
What is this? I'm sorry.
It's turkey.
Thursday. Okay.
And what is the lamb tongue? What is that?
Right.
Tongue. Vegetables. Baby potato.
Okay.
Fish.
Okay.
Mutton shoulder and beef ribs.
Okay. And what is this?
It's a
Kebab.
kebab with lamb.
Lamb kebab.
Okay. All right, make it up.